Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to turn Bluetooth on or off on your TCL Google TV. So from the home screen, you want to go into settings. On the settings page, scroll down to remotes and accessories, select that, and that's where you'll find the Bluetooth button. So currently Bluetooth is on. To turn it off, simply press OK. It's going to ask you, do you want to turn off Bluetooth? Select turn off, and that's going to turn off Bluetooth on your remote. Now, since the remote is also paired via infrared, you can still use it to turn on Bluetooth, even when Bluetooth is disabled. Okay, so press OK again, and that's going to turn Bluetooth back on. And that is basically how to turn Bluetooth on or off on your TCL Google TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.